les homophones, because actually I was thinking about doing 4 videos concerning this topic. So remember, when we're talking about les homophones, we're talking about all these words that we have in French that you will write differently but then pronounce the same way, and of course the meanings will be different. So that's the reason why it's quite important to take few minutes to try to see them and try to avoid any mistakes. Okay? Alright, so we'll stop now. And the first one is un compte. Un compte. And here you will have the translation. Un compte. So exactly the same pronunciation, but then of course the meaning is different. Un compte. Un coup. And then un coup. Alright, so you can see that you get this final P here, but then you don't pronounce it. And last, un coup. Okay, remember accent circonflexe, you don't pronounce it. Final T, same thing, you don't pronounce it. Okay, so un coup, and then un coup, the same pronunciation. Une cour. And then we get the adjective court. And after that, un cours. And then un cours. Alright, so you can see that here you get the feminine, une cour, then you get the adjective court, un cours, un cours. Un cuir. And the verb cuire. Okay, so un cuir and then cuire. Une date. Une date. So it's quite interesting because in English it's written the same way. Okay, so in that case we're talking about the fruit. So une date, okay, and here une date. So 31 janvier, for instance, une date, okay. Une eau. And then the adjective eau. Okay, une eau, eau. Une fin. And then une fin. Okay, so phonetically the same. Un fil. Une file. Okay, so don't try to, don't mix it with une fille, okay, because you get the double L, but in that case you get only one, so une file, okay, un fil, une file. Lait. Un lait. Okay, so the only difference is final thing here, D, you don't pronounce it, T, you don't pronounce it, so phonetically you only have this lait. Une mère. Une mère. Un maire. Alright, so mère, mère, mère. Alright, in both cases. Here you've got the feminine form and then here it's masculine. Of course it could be feminine as well because mayor can be ladies as well.